think I'll be safe in here. Huh? What's this? Take these. These will give you great power. What? Well, I'll need something to defend myself with. Oh no, oh no. Hope he doesn't see me. Whoa! That was awesome! The snowball acts like the lightning bolt on Mario Kart. It strikes all players, except for you. It doesn't work that great when you spam it, so just save your snowballs. How did I make this, you ask? These are the commands you will need. Now that you've got all the commands down, you can now use the snowball to lightning strike all your friends.